Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title and everything, it is a little bit different than what I normally post, and you guys have actually requested this video, so I finally decided I was gonna film it for you guys. But I realized I forgot to do an intro, so here we are the next day as I'm editing this video. Before I start, also I just want to say every day is honestly different for what I eat. I might do a what I eat in a week. If you guys are interested in that, or if you want that, let me know down in the comments. But without further ado, let's just get into this video, and we are going to start off with breakfast. Alright, so let's talk breakfast. So I get Starbucks a little more than I'd like to admit, honestly. So here I am just mobile ordering. My go-to order is, as you guys can see, it's the same thing over and over, which is a caramel ribbon crunch, but it was actually sold out that day, which was so sad. So we had to go for the caramel frappuccino, which is my second fave. We got a venti and a grande, both with almond milk. So I get my boyfriend the venti and I get the grande. And then 2 sandwiches, which is the bacon, Gouda, and egg sandwiches. They're so good. So those are our go-tos, and then we just mobile order, and honestly, like I said, we get it a lot more than I would like to admit. So this is a typical breakfast if I'm not at home. This is definitely our go-to. So here he is just picking it up, and mobile ordering is so easy just because it's ready for you right when you get there.
Two hours later.
So for the next portion of this video, I'm just going to show you guys what I bought from the supermarket. I ended up going to Longo's as well. So I started off at the superstore and then I went to Longo's. But basically this haul is just going to be like snacks and everything. It is not like with meats and all the proteins and all of that. I have a lot already in my fridge and everything. And I do work at a restaurant where they have lots of meats, and I am lucky enough to be able to eat there whenever I want. First up, these I've never had before. They are mini cinnamon toast waffles. I saw another YouTuber had this in her haul. I wanted to try these. These looked so good, so I was like, I need to pick these up. So we have that. These spinach rolls, guys, are so good. They are feta and spinach. And honestly, they are just so freaking good. They do take a while, but I just popped them in my mini toaster here, which this thing is a lifesaver. Love that. So I just pop it in there, and I usually leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes. Jane's chicken, popcorn chicken, 10 out of 10. Recommend these. These are good for a quick snack. Again, I just pop these in there, and with some spicy fries. So good. I have spicy fries in my freezer. I love them. Where are they? These ones. With spicy fries, these two together, heaven. Ooh, so I have never tried this either. It is the Starbucks iced coffee. I decided to go with the blonde roast. Honestly, I don't know the difference between blonde roast and dark roast. I do love the whipped coffee, but when I go to work, I work sometimes at 5 in the morning, and I can't be whipping up coffee and waking everybody up in this house. Greek yogurt, really good for a snack. Again, I like to have it with oats, which are here. I bought these ones. I've never had these ones before. They're Nature Valley protein granola. If I want to be healthier sometimes, I will opt for mixing these together. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Next up, ooh, Mountain Dew, because I was really craving a Mountain Dew, so I'm gonna have that right now. Actually, I'll put that there. Hummus. I love spicy hummus. This one, to be exact, it is the Sabra extremely spicy, which is not that spicy, but I absolutely love hummus. Hummus is my favorite go-to snack. And we got some cookie dough, because the best Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough. I like to eat this raw, even though yes, you're not supposed to, or also like to cook it if I'm not lazy. Popcorners is what I picked up. I have not tried these, but I am easily influenced by other influencers, and these are apparently so good, so I had to pick them up for myself. Next up, I just picked up 2 bananas. Rice cakes, easy snack for me to take to work that I can just munch on really quickly. Jalapeno Cheetos, let me know, do you guys like them or not? Because I tried these, I want to say like a week ago, and they are so good, so I had to pick up another one. But they're just the jalapeno Cheetos. And then, you can't have hummus without pita flatbread. I just pop it in my lovely toaster right over there, and it is delicious. Bagels, a must. As you guys can see, I like a lot of things that I can eat really quickly or are very minimal because I am a freaking busy person. Like, I'm actually so busy all the damn time, and the easier it is to make these foods, the better. And lastly, Smarties, because your girl loves making at-home McFlurries. So that is everything that I bought today from the Superstore, and now I'm craving a smoothie. So I'm gonna go make a smoothie and I'll show you guys that. I just need to sanitize this, put this all where it needs to be, and yeah, we're gonna go make a smoothie. Let's go. Alright, so snack time, which today was a protein shake. So you're gonna need protein, collagen, a banana, some ice, and milk of choice. I used almond milk. So you're gonna mix them together. You need 1 scoop of protein powder. I use the Teamy one. And then collagen, 1 scoop as well. So they actually just came out with this product. It is really good. And you can get 25% off if you use code ALV25. Milk-wise, I just eyeballed it. And I'm putting in 1 banana, and now all you have to do is mix it up. But yeah, I wanted to test this out. I was testing out the collagen that they gave me, and it was so good in this recipe. So I highly recommend that. But like I said, it just launched. So in the description, I'll have all the links and my promo code that you guys can use. That way you get 25% off of it, and I highly recommend it. There's so many good benefits to collagen for like your hair, your nails, your skin, etc. So highly recommend that, and they have a lot of recipes. If you follow them on Instagram, they always post recipes for it.
A few moments later.
Nothing better than lunchtime because we are making chicken nuggets and spicy fries. So these are the chicken nuggets I just bought, and the spicy fries I had already in my freezer. So as you can see here, we add ketchup, I add salt and cayenne pepper to my fries because I love cayenne pepper and salt on like everything. So usually for lunch, I am just texting my boyfriend or on the phone with him, answering emails or editing while I eat. So I'm just multitasking here, which is what I did. And yeah, that's typically what a lunch looks like for me. Nothing crazy, just super fast before I actually had to go to work. So I was just trying to eat as fast as I could and get as much done as possible. Okay, so dinner time. I feel like I just eat a lot actually. So for dinner, I have a burrito. There are a lot more things than just beef. I know it was like fully packed with beef, but there was like lettuce, cheese, beef, sour cream, chipotle sauce, some onions, and a little bit of rice, but I really like beef, so that's why we loaded up with beef. And here at night, I typically get home from work, so I usually eat this at work, but I wanted to film it for you guys, so I took it home with me. And after work, I usually just watch movies with my boyfriend while he's on the phone with me, and we both just watch a show, which is what we were doing. So yeah, that is what my night looks like.
A few moments later.
Okay, and then last thing, this is it guys, this is the grand finale of what I eat. So you are gonna need a pack of Smarties and then some ice cream, and if you guys can guess it already, you gotta crush it because we are making a Smartie McFlurry. They used to have this at McDonald's and I loved it, and I was so sad that they took it away, but you know, just make it at home. So that's what I'm doing. I just grabbed 3 scoops of ice cream, and then I just put however many Smarties I wanted. I used like half of it, I think, and then again back to the room to watch more videos and shows with my boyfriend. This literally is probably like a 2-hour process, 3 hours of us just talking and watching stuff. At first I didn't like these, but the more I eat them, the more they're like growing on me. But yeah guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, I just want to say, obviously, as you guys can see, I do not restrict myself in what I eat. I don't believe in doing that. If you do that, great, but personally for me, I just eat whatever I want. If I'm craving something, I will go out of my way to get that. Like right now I'm craving an ice cap. You better believe that you will see an ice cap on my Instagram story. If you're not following me, go follow me at _AAlvarez or link in the description. You better believe I will have an ice cap posted on my story because I'm gonna go get one. I know eating like this isn't very healthy. It's not attainable for a lot of people depending on your metabolism, but I do have a really fast metabolism, and I understand that you can't really eat these things if your metabolism isn't as fast. Everybody's body is different, but this is just what I tend to eat and what I go for and things that I love to eat. So yeah, I don't restrict myself, and I will not promote that on my channel. So if you guys want more like positive food videos of just like eating whatever you want whenever, then subscribe and leave the comments down below if you want to see like what I eat in a week, or like healthy ideas for snacks, or like snack ideas, or on the go ideas, because your girl lives a very busy life. Remember to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.